My name is Artur, and I have been working in Mobica for 10 years. I started as a regular software engineer. Currently, I work as an expert engineer, and also I have a role of group manager. In general, my responsibilities are, of course, writing the code, analyzing the problems in the code or in the behavior of the software, designing and reviewing the architecture, designing test cases. As a group manager, my responsibility is in general to take care about the people in my group and to keep their working environment sane and pleasant to come to, and to be like a kind of a mentor for those people. The greatest part of my job is when I create something out of nothing. When I create some bits of working code from a blank editor window. My favorite programming languages or favorite technical environments to work on: C, C++, low-level bare metal programming. The lower the better. If I can program in assembly language, I'm really happy. Also Python, and I write quite substantial amount of code using this programming language. What I like the most about Mobica is that this is the company which, still being quite a big company, is still like a family place where everyone is a person, not just the ID in the Excel sheet. My most favorite Mobica memories are when I worked on really challenging projects that gave me a lot of satisfaction. At the same project, I had an opportunity to travel to Japan, which I liked really much. And regarding less worky things, I have the best memories from Mobica from social integration events such as Christmas parties, summer events, and some office integrations when we went outside to hit the town.